Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you all how to make this very delicious suya fried rice. So the first thing I'll be doing is to season the beef. I'm seasoning with some beef seasoning, salt, curry powder, a mixture of pepper that I love to use, which is some Cameroon pepper and then some cayenne pepper. I also added in that suya spice and vegetable oil. So I would give this a very good mix and now transfer that to my oven rack. You can actually keep this for about an hour in the fridge so it gets to marinate properly. But if you don't have the time to do that, it is still fine. Just go ahead and transfer that to your rack or your tray and pop that in the oven for about 40 minutes. While you're trying to place them on the rack or tray, it's very advisable to give them space so they can cook evenly. Once I'm done assembling them on the rack, I will pop that in the oven for 20 minutes to 20 degrees C while I season my shrimp with some curry powder, salt, beef seasoning, my pepper mixture, and then some suya pepper with vegetable oil. Just the same things I used for the beef as well. I'll season that and pop into the fridge to marinate while I check on the suya beef suya whatever. So this is after 20 minutes, so I just turn to the other side and then return them back to the oven for another 20 minutes to 20 degrees C. So after which I went ahead to cut them up into bite sizes. This is very important, okay? Don't skip this part. If you don't have the time to make your own beef suya from scratch at home, you can equally just get from the store or from the roadside malams. It's still the same process, although homemades are always the best. In one of my videos where I made beef suya, I got some couple of questions like, where can I source for the suya pepper? So you can actually source for it from the malams that sell suya on the roadside. That is where I usually get my pepper. Once I'm done cutting them, I'll set that aside and then I'll go ahead to put some vegetable oil in a pot with some curry powder, ginger and garlic paste, and also some blended onion. So I'm using this blended onion because I have it. You can actually use some sliced onion if that's what you have, okay? So I just allow that to fry for about 3 minutes, then I went in with my washed rice. Before adding the rice, please ensure to wash it multiple times for about 5-7 times just until the water runs clear, okay? Then I'm going to stir fry that for about 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. This is going to help our rice stand apart and it just add to the taste. Just before I started frying the rice, I seasoned with some suya pepper, yellow scotch bonnet pepper, and some red scotch bonnet pepper. These are going to add lots of flavor to the rice, and I just did not want to fry them with the vegetable oil. So once I'm done doing that, I'm now going to add in some water. You can use stock water if you have though. Then I seasoned with some salt, beef seasoning, little bit of curry powder. Remember we added some white frying and then some thyme. So I'll just give that a good mix and then cover the pot and allow it to cook. When you're cooking rice, please ensure the water is just a little bit above the rice. Then if necessary, you can now top up with a little more water to just cook it to your perfection. So once the rice is perfectly cooked, you can now set that aside, then heat up some vegetable oil in a wok and then add in the seasoned shrimp, Just go ahead to fry these until they are all ready. Just a reminder to you all to please don't forget to like this video and drop your comments. If you're here to subscribe, please do well to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. Once they are ready, just take them out so it doesn't get a rubbery texture. So after that, now go ahead to fry some sliced onions and then just add in more ginger and garlic paste to that with some curry powder and fry that for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then go in with some diced carrots, fry for about a minute or two, then add in some kidney beans, some green peas, and then just go ahead to also add in our star of the dish, which is some beef suya with some thyme, salt, some beef seasoning, curry powder, and then more suya pepper. Fry that for 3 minutes and it is ready. Our fries is ready. So you now go ahead to add in the shrimp just to mix it with the veggies, and then you start adding in the rice. So once you're done adding the rice, you now stir fry this on high heat for about 5 to 8 minutes. And once you're done with that, you can now add in some spring onions and our rice is ready. I hope you all get to give this one a try. Bye guys.